Hey guys, it's Chris here from FitMyCar. I'm here today at our busy warehouse to show you guys the perfect Christmas gift for that special or not so special someone. Why do you want to buy this? It doesn't break your budget. And as well, it's heaps better than a pair of socks, a pair of undies, and the Michael Bublé Christmas album that your mum buys your aunt. So without further ado, let's check it out. The paste, the radish, the peas and the fisherman, the peace and the residents, the paste and the rapidus, the
pièce de résistance,
the bumper protector. Why do you need it? Why does it keep everyone smiling? Because it helps your bumper from avoiding marks, scratches that you could be having from golf clubs, groceries, school bags. As they say, business in the front, bumper protector at the back. So what else is in the bag? Oh, a chamois, or a chamois, or a chamois, or a regular Hydra PVA chamois. It's stronger than you think. Now, no one wants to be seen driving or picking up the kids in a dirty car. That won't have to be a worry anymore. It's super hydro absorbent, it lasts longer than other synthetics, and well, if you clean your car at the car wash and you don't use a chamois, well, that's a shame, me. What else is in the bag? A FitMyCar mount phone holder. You'll love this little guy. Why? Because it makes sure that your car journey is safe. Whilst most phone holders stick on the window, we know there's more than one way to go about things. And that's why our rubber vent mount will allow you to stick your phone into any vent in any car. What smells better than fresh cut grass? Better than when rain's on its way, Granny's hot apple pie in the oven. Your new car smell does, that's what. And you can get that now with the new air freshener that we have in our gift pack. Now, both these air fresheners are extra thick, which means they're extra long lasting, which allows you to stay behind the wheel with a pleasant smell for much longer. As you've probably worked out by now, this gift pack isn't just for your car enthusiasts. Regardless of what car they own, this is a gift pack for anyone. And whoever is lucky enough to find this pack under their tree will be sure to think about you every time they're behind the wheel. From me, Chris, and everyone else in the FitMyCar team, we wish you a happy Christmas.